Hi, welcome to my skincare routine the day after I used tretinoin, and I didn't do it properly. So here are all the steps that I use to have hydrated, kind of glass-looking skin when I have super flaky skin. You don't need all these products. You can do this with very affordable. I give you some options. Everybody's different, so before anyone comes at me in the comment section being like, that's a little much, it probably is. But this is just what works for me when I am restoring my skin barrier after a night of getting used to wearing tretinoin. So in the shower, I go in with the Aven Milk Cleanser, and I use a little bit of a face cloth just to kind of like rub off any of the dead skin. I don't scrub my skin or anything. I use this towards the end of my shower. This brings back hydration to my face. After that, I go in with any hydrating toners that I have. So this one's going to be a little extra. First, I go in with the Glow Toner from Charlotte Tilbury. This one has niacinamide, peptides, and it's an exfoliant. Sometimes if I feel like I need some more hydration, I go in with the Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner. So this one's going to reduce pores while giving hydration to the skin, and it's super sensitive, which is what I like because it's also hydrating and I don't feel like I have too many things on my face. Once the toners are all in my skin, I go in with hydrating serums. You can use one or two. I use these ones interchangeably, so sometimes I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Elixir, which is what I did today. A good alternative is the Aven Calm and Restore Serum. I just take the pump on this. Also, you can use a dry oil. A dry oil is not going to leave your face greasy. It's just an extra layer of hydration. And you can't forget about your lips, so I'm going to go in with the Vaseline Lip Therapy. This is an overnight lip mask, but I've just constantly been reaching for it every single day, and I just love the way this feels really hydrating. I use it all the time, even with like lip liner. To apply your moisturizer, I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream tonight. And if I don't use that, another one I like, which is an affordable alternative, is the Aveeno Calm and Restore Moisturizing Cream. This one is excellent for like sensitive skin. On my eyes, I go in and I use the All About Eyes, the Rich Formula by Clinique, and then I also tap this into any areas that I feel need a little bit more hydration. Just what works for me. It doesn't have to be crazy for you. Again, now if I'm doing this routine in the morning, after I apply all of my moisturizers, I'm going to put on my SPF. You can also put on your SPF before your moisturizer, but I don't use any vitamin C's or any actives when I'm doing this little routine for a couple days after I use tretinoin. Now, if this is at nighttime, I let this all sink in for about an hour. Again, I'm not using any AHAs, any BHAs, exfoliants, vitamin C's. And if my skin is still super, super dry, I go in with this. This is the Ciloplast by La Roche-Posay. La Roche-Posay, I said that wrong. But I love this stuff. Obviously, I didn't use this the other night because I wouldn't have woken up with dry skin. Sometimes if I'm lazy and I don't want to do all this, I'll just do moisturizer, eye cream, wait an hour, and throw this on my skin. Anyways, comment what you think down below. If you have any recommendations, what your routine is when you're trying to get over the purge period from using tretinoin.